Yeah, that's it, yeah. Yeah, he lives in Brighton town. I don't know. Well, he's a veteran, private time veteran. That's what I'm saying, private time veteran. What diesel and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't
Bye, you lucky people.
The only one I think that does look nice is one up in Merthyr.
Or the Kevin Coyden.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you look off there, that's a walkway.
Yeah, but
It's still.
I don't get anything cool from it.
You'd be chugging.
Unless he's going to come across them zigzags.
He's turning. He's turning this way.
Yeah, he's coming right. Oh, some massive lines there, all zigzag.
Yeah, you got to do it. If you go to the platform when they do another switch back under there, where that 15 sign is. See there?
You've got to do that slow.
That's where the 15 sign is. It'll come down, yeah. King done that about 5 years ago. Like a snake going around there.
Yeah. Good God. Oh, I can see what he's doing now.
Yeah, go back to the right and you go back to the left again. You might come in this line by your mine.
Yeah, he's right. He's right near us here. you're suffering this accident.
Don't whistle, the old boy. Hold on, make a whistle. Ah, whistle. I'm blinking fast. Good boy. On again.
Here we go.
I'll be down the bottom now in a minute.
Hey,
I'll be down the bottom now in 2 minutes.
what's coming tomorrow?
No, I'll be down there now in a few minutes.